Well, tonight, people frustrated with problems filing for unemployment benefits, including long wait times over the phone and issues with online applications, as thousands out of work now seek help. At 10 o'clock, I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Jennifer Hoff. So last week, more than 76,000 Oregonians filed for unemployment, and that was just within the first half of the week.
Our reporter Jenny Young's been following all this. She's live tonight. Is there anything, Jenny, being done to solve these problems?
Well, Jeff, Jennifer, last week we reported that the unemployment department doubled the number of people processing unemployment claims, and they say they will add more staff. But people we're talking to say that doesn't bring much comfort when they can't pay their bills.
I was laid off pretty much the moment Governor Brown closed restaurants to dine in.
Jessi filed for unemployment the same day she lost her job as a bartender at a Portland restaurant. That was 17 days ago, and she still hasn't seen money from the state. In fact, Snavlin says it was only today she found out her online application was approved.
But every time I logged in, it kept saying, you are having a problem, you are having a problem. And I would receive letters in the mail with like information requests for the next day because they would take so long to get to me. But it did take about 15 hours of overall work trying to call them and getting busy signals and researching and trying to figure out how to get a hold of them.
Snavlin isn't alone. A record number of people are claiming unemployment insurance, and many are becoming frustrated with the system that hasn't been able to keep up. Dennis Cody told us he called Oregon's unemployment department 750 times in one day and never spoke to anyone.
And each time I got a busy signal or this number is not in service.
Cody lost his job at the airport. He's a disabled veteran and says he still has some monthly income, but he's worried about people who don't.
There's a sense of hopelessness from a lot of people about how they're going to pay their bills.
Gail Krumenauer with the Employment Department says they're doing everything possible to keep up with the record number of claims and asks for the public's patience.
That we continue to receive a truly not even close to what we've ever seen before. We've never seen anything like it. Unprecedented record level of unemployment insurance initial claims in Oregon.
Now really does empathize with people, but she says right now they're doing everything they can. She does have some very detailed videos on their YouTube page. We've posted that link to this story on KOIN.com. We're live tonight in downtown Portland. Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.